YouTube, what's up? What's up? Man, I'm back with a different type of video. So this is my 2023 Can-Am Maverick Max. That clip was just of my vinyl wrap job I did. And I said, man, let's try something different. So first time painting. Yeah, this is me breaking it down, getting ready. I logged a lot of hours on YouTube, learning, the ins and outs of painting. And the very most vital takeaway out was, the preparation. So this is clips of me, prepping the surfaces, getting them clean, sanding, doing more sanding, and even more sanding, and then ultimately priming. Man, this is my paint booth. I did find a pretty cool pop-up paint booth on Amazon. This is me showing it out now. This is backyard engineering. Boom, got me a little hanger so I can, just paint all my pieces that need to be hung. Yeah, again, man, just priming, lay it 2 to 3 coats of some pieces. This is my primer and hardener. It's a 2-to-1. Picked it up from a body shop. And then it's also my paint, beautiful paint that my body shop mixed for me. Yeah, man, look at that. Come on, stop playing with me. Look at them metallic flakes in there. First time painting, no orange peel, laid down smooth. Man, come on now. I'm happy with it because at the end of the day, man, this is a UTV, so I'm gonna beat up on it. I'm gonna take it on trails and go mudding and do whatever. But I mean, it actually came out really, really good, and it's a testament to your preparation. I know you'll probably hear that a lot on the YouTube videos you watch, but man, that is vital. You gotta lay your adhesion promoter. You gotta use your prep all. You gotta use your cheesecloths. Look at me using that terminology. Come on now. You gotta prep, man. Prep your parts. I use ChatGPT, believe it or not, to walk me through the sanding phase. And it was truthful. It was like saying that you're not there yet. Do not lay any primer because these parts need to be sanded more. So yeah, I just snapped a few pictures until it was pretty much saying, yeah, you're ready to lay some primer. The color, I actually pulled it from an Audi. It's an Audi inspired color. This is me spraying outside, by the way, because I did not want to take these rocker panels off. It would have been a pain in the ass, so just FYI. But yeah, the color is it's a green. I don't know the paint code off the top of my head, but it's an Audi inspired. It's one of the newer colors in like 2026. It's a chameleon, right? Y'all see my truck. My truck looks black when the sun's not out, and as soon as it pops out, you see that beautiful Havana brown metallic. I wanted something like my truck, so that's why I chose this color. When it's cloudy, you can tell it's gray, but it looks a little black. And then boom, when it pops out, you get them flakes, man. You can't go wrong. But yeah, y'all hit me with some questions. The biggest takeaway is I would probably stick with vinyl wrapping because again, the preparation was killer. The whole duration for this project was probably a week and a half, and that's just because I was working. I do have a full-time job, so after work, after I interact with kids and wife, I come do a few panels and call it a night. So, but yeah, vinyl wrap is more methodical, I guess, and this one is just a lot of you can't skip steps. You have to follow your steps. You have to get everything right before you're ready to paint. So if you're impatient, paint is not for you. But if you got a little bit of patience, man, gonna do it. Don't be intimidated. But yeah, y'all dropped me some questions. Yes, I use adhesion promoter. Yes, I use 320 400 grit. Yes, it does take a long time. So at the end of the day, man, I think it's worth it. If you got the time, and if you want to save, probably $3,000 or even $2,500, do it yourself, big dog. Peace out, man. Hit me up.